Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add an additional driver to Direct Line Insurance. So first head over to directline.com, then next is click on car, and here under the manage my policies section, you can see the add a driver option. So all you have to do is click on this. You will then be redirected to this page and you will be prompted to sign in to your account. So just enter in your email address and check your email for a sign in code, or you can also sign in using your password. Then next, you should be redirected to this page where you can manage your drivers. And from this page, you can also see the add a new driver button. All you have to do is click on that and you can start choosing the driver that you would like to add. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!